In this video, I am going to show you the latest tips and information on how to create a YouTube channel in 2025. So I will show you all of the simple and to the point steps from creating an account or to updating all of your channel setting exactly according to the requirements. Today's step-by-step guide will cover all of the important key points for 2025. So still in 2025, if you don't have a YouTube channel, then don't keep thinking about it. Just start creating it. So let's start from the beginning. Please go to youtube.com and click on sign in. Once you will click on sign in, you have to enter the Google account you already have, or you can go to create account and create a free account for you. Once you click on a create account, go ahead and click on for work or my business account. So let's go ahead and select for work or my business. Here, because we want to choose our YouTube account as a business account and not our personal account. So let's go ahead and click on get a Gmail address. Here we have to enter the first name and the second name. So let's suppose we want to create a tech channel here. I want to name my tech channel Tech Sphere. Let's go ahead and click on next. Now here we have to give the basic information about birthday. Let's go ahead and enter it. Let's select the gender. Click on next. Now here I want techsphere786@gmail.com. Let's see if this is available. This username is already taken. Let's try some other. Okay, click next. Yeah. Make sure you have entered a complex password. Now it's asking us to enter the recovery email address here because the address where Google can contact you if there is unusual activity on your account or if you get logged out. So this is important for your email security. Let's go ahead and click on next. Now here at this point we have to enter the phone number. So let's go ahead and enter the phone number here. Please note that must enter phone number because this is also very important for your channel and the email security. Let's go ahead and click on next. Here I got the channel text fair. I got the name of my email text fair and the recovery phone number. Let's go ahead and click on next. We have to agree with Google privacy and terms. Let's go ahead and click on I agree. Your Google account is ready. Okay, now my Google account is set up. I am logged in the YouTube with the new Google account and I'm getting an option here to create a channel. Let's go ahead and click on create channel. Once you will click on create a channel, you got few options here. The first thing you can select the picture for your channel. There are few pictures available on YouTube that you can set up here and also you can upload or drag or drop picture from your computer. So I have the logo and I want to upload this logo here for my text fair channel. The name is fine. I want a text fair name and here in the handle you can enter any handle that is uniquely available on the internet. Okay, I want this handle for my channel TextFair007 and let's go ahead and click on create the channel. Your channel is being created. Check back in a few moments. So please note that these channel name, channel handle and profile picture could be changed later on. So if you have uploaded the wrong profile picture or if you have set up the wrong name, then don't worry about that. You could change it later on. So let's go ahead and refresh this page after some time and we got our channel here with a logo and a name and also with a handle. The channel name is something and everyone will be able to see your channel name on your channel homepage. And the handle is something that anyone could use this URL youtube.com at textfair007 will be used to search your channel on YouTube like this. If someone enter this URL in the browser, they will be able to search your channel with this channel handle. And whenever you post a comment on any video or any channel, your handle will be shown besides that comment. So I think you have understand that the channel handle is uniquely identified for your channel. And the important tip I want to tell you that always creating before the channel name, please decide to make it simple, easy to memorable, and easy to find. So now let's go ahead and we will be going to do some of the most important settings that you need to do before starting your channel. Click on your channel icon and here we're supposed to go to YouTube Studio. You could also go to YouTube Studio by typing studio.youtube.com in your browser. After creating your channel, the next most important thing you're gonna do here is please go to settings. In the settings, please navigate to channel and then please go to future eligibility. Please must verify your YouTube channel to unlock all of these mission critical features. So here we have requirement for intermediate features that upload videos longer than 15 minutes, live streaming and adding custom thumbnails. And again, we have to click on verify phone number and the same as we did earlier, we have to verify the phone number here. Okay, I have submitted and now my phone number is verified and I have completed the first requirement of feature eligibility. And now I can see enable here. Verifying your YouTube feature also includes enabling the advanced feature for your YouTube channel that contain appealing content ID, claim external links in the video description, embed live stream, create more live stream daily, and so on. So yes, we want to enable these feature as well. And here you have to take a second video of yourself, take a photo of your ID or build history as you grow. I want to select build history as I grow and click next. Your channel history is being established. Keep uploading videos, live streaming, and engaging your audience to establish channel history for more creators. So we don't want to get worried about this today. Let's worry about this in the future. So let's go ahead and check pretty much important feature for your channel. If we are going to set them today, we don't need to worry about them tomorrow. So let's go back and head to the settings of your channel. So this time we want to go to upload default and here in the visibility section, we want to select unlisted because every video when we upload that video on YouTube that should be unlisted, right, until we have verified everything including title, thumbnail, description, tags of the video, and then we could post that specific video publicly when we are 100% sure that everything is done. So let's go ahead and save this setting. While on upload default tab, let's go to advanced settings and scroll down, and here you can set comments to be turned off or on for your channel. And also if you had the negativity, you could go ahead and click on strict. The moderation will be strict for YouTube comments, or you can select to basic. So that's why I wanna select strict. Let's go ahead and save this. Now, this next one setting is very important if you aim to create the content for children. So let's go to channel and then the advanced setting. Over the lot of years, you know that YouTube is very cautious if you create a content for kids. So here we got three options that yes, set this channel as made for kids. I mostly upload content that made for kids. No, set this channel as not made for kids. I almost never upload content that made for kids. The third option that I want to review this setting for every video. So for my this channel, I want to select no because I don't create any content for kids. So I don't want to review this in every video. Let's go ahead and click on save. Please note that make all of these settings correctly according to your requirement, because if you keep working on your channel for the years and it could be terminated because of these settings which are set up incorrectly. The next thing I want to show you is permission tab. So here you could go ahead and invite people with their email, and also you could select their access level if you want someone to help with your channel. Please note that adding anybody here with any permission will have access to only your YouTube channel, not to your Google account. So in next step, we want to go to the customization tab of our channel. As I have mentioned you earlier that you could change or remove the picture from here, the name of your channel, and also the handle of your channel whenever you want. So, but more importantly, we supposed to discuss here is that you can enter your email here that will be publicly showed on your YouTube. Make sure never ever add your YouTube channel email here, right? If you enter your channel email here, this could be compromised with your channel security. Now let's scroll above, and here we have the option to enter a description for our text fair channel. So make sure you have enter a meaningful description here for your channel, and description should be SEO optimized and with simple words so that anyone on the internet could get to your description easily and more efficiently. Again, let's go to customize channel. Now let's go ahead and check more visual features of your channel. If you haven't already uploaded this logo picture, you could go ahead and upload this logo picture according to YouTube requirement. The next thing we're gonna do here, we are going to upload the banner for our YouTube channel. So I have already created a demo banner, and make sure your banner should be simple, to the point, and anyone could be able to understand your banner more easily. So here I have created a banner, and I can see that view on all devices will be like this, and view on desktop is like this, and view on TV will be like this. So I'm fine with this requirement, and let's go ahead and click on done. So never overcomplicate your channel banner and logo, because we need to communicate with people with more easily and ever simple possible ways. Now let's move the next most important visual that we can add to our channel, that an image with this size and with these properties have to be uploaded, and I will upload the subscribe button for my channel here. Let's click on done, and here I can see subscribe button for my channel. For verification, let me show you. If you are going to see here the subscribe button for my ITPK channel, viewers could come here to the subscribe button and go to subscribe for subscribing my ITPK channel. So it's better to add subscribe button here, and you have the option to add the subscribe button for the end of video, custom start time, or entire video. Let's go ahead and set this to entire video so the viewers will be able to see the subscription on for my channel for all for the entire video. Let's go ahead and publish this. The next important thing I want to show you is the audio library of the YouTube. Here you will have a lot of free and updated musics from the YouTube that will not get any copyright claim on your YouTube video, and you can use all of these musics totally for free. Now let's go to the next important thing, earn. When you go to the earn tab, you will see here all of the important requirement that you have to complete to start earning from YouTube. Here are few ways to earn. Watch page 8 short feeds. Now down below you have a creator support tool, that is copyright match, chat and support, and giving fundraiser. And how do I join YouTube? Here are the few requirements that we have to complete to start earning from YouTube. At least 1000 subscriber, 4000 public watch hour, or 10 million short view in the last 90 days. Please note that public watch hour will be for 365 days, you can say for 1 year. Also, please note that this is very important to turn on two-step verification for your channel, because without turning this security on, your channel will not be going to get monetized. And also, if you want to receive an email when these requirements gets completed, you could select email me. So make sure you have turned on two-step verification, and you will get the code on your phone number, and then you can enter that code here. Please note that this step is also very important. Once you have completed all of above requirements, then you will be going to submit your application, and YouTube will be going to check your channel, will get back to you if this gets approved or not. All right. So till now, your YouTube content tab, analytics tab, or community tab all are showing empty here, because you have to go to this create button and start uploading the video that you created for your channel. So before proceeding with channel creation or uploading videos to YouTube, just think what your audience watches and why your audience watches, and also keep more focus on your content, thumbnails, titles in the description of your YouTube channel. So that's it about today's simple, to the point, and detailed tutorial on how to create a YouTube channel in 2025, or how we can get started with YouTube in 2025. Thanks for watching. Keep watching and don't forget to subscribe. ITPK. Take care. Bye.